Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're getting ready to go on a boat, and it's our pawpaws. We're going to be staying in the front.
There's Pawpaw. Wave, Pawpaw. And their daddy's going with them. And I'm going too. We'll check back.
See the gray building coming up? Big building? You see that pole sticking out there? Well, that's just about the location of the pole that they put Blackbeard's head on. This is called Armstrong Point. Well, that's E.T. Lawson's oil dock.
Birdie on that pole? Viper.
Look at him. Look at
That's
him.
a chicken hawk.
That's a fish hawk. Up on top of the pole. See it? Huh? You see it? Yeah, that's a seagull.
What is that?
That's a seagull. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Piper is steering the boat now. Maybe with a little bit of assistance with Pawpaw. She's looking pretty comfortable.
She's doing good.
Which way do I go?
You see that white building up there? You see that little red sign below it? You want to keep that on the right side. Keep the boat on the left side of that. So turn it back to the left. Okay, now straighten up. There you go.
Can I?
Yeah, we'll let you steer too.
Now it's Matilda's turn to steer the boat.
Now which way?
Huh?
Now which way?
Well, you're going right. Keep going.
You like steering? Yeah?
Don't know.
Turn a little bit left. This way.
This is all downtown Hampton. It's the Air and Space Museum. It's supposed to look like the wings of a bird, of a seagull.
They're going under that bridge. Right over there.
Have a little duck friend here at the marina. Go.
Hey guys, we had a great trip on our boat, and now we're getting ready to get off. There's a duck.
There's our duck friend again. All right, Piper, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up.
Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.
Bye. Matilda, bye.